How to add text behind person effect in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open CapCut. Click on New Project. Add the video that you want to add a text to by selecting it and clicking on Add at the bottom. Once it's added, click on Text at the bottom. Click on Add Text. Type in what you want your text to say, and you can select the style, effects, animations, and add it in a bubble as well. Once you've made all the changes, click on the tick mark. So you can adjust the text up to which part of the video that you want it by dragging the white part up to which part of the video you want. You can also tap on this and select where you want it in the video. So once you do that, go ahead and export your project by clicking on this arrow right here. Click on New Project. Go ahead and add the video that you have just exported by clicking on it and clicking on Add at the bottom. Once the video is added, click on Overlay at the bottom, and then click on Add Overlay, and select the original video without text, and then click on Add. Make sure to adjust it directly over the first video. So once you do this, make sure the second video is still selected, and then click on Cut Out, click on Remove Background, and then click on the tick mark. So over here, as you can see, the text is behind the person. So now your video is ready to export. So you can click on this arrow to export your video of the text being behind the person. So this is how to add text behind person effect in CapCut. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.